understand the meter on your Toshiba machine? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, you'll want to find the counter button on the screen. This will bring you to a screen where you will find total counter or print out total counter if you want a version of the printed information. You will click total counter. Then you will find print counter and scan counter. Print counter will show you the meter reading for the prints on the machine, while scan counter will show you the meter reading for the scans performed with the machine. You will want to press print counter. This will bring you to a table with 4 categories across the top: full color, twin and monocolor, black, and total, as well as 5 categories down the left side: copy, fax, printer, list, and total. To read the meter, you will want to take the total of full color, twin and monocolor, as well as black. Now, if you prefer to look at the printed version of the meter, you can go back and press the print out total counter button. This will result in a page being printed for the print counter as well as the scan counter. We can disregard the scan counter. What we're looking for, again, is the total of the full color, twin and monocolor, and black, which can be found right here along the bottom of the table. So reading your Toshiba meter isn't as hard as it seems, but if you still have issues, place a service call under support on higherinfogroup.com. Now that we've read our meters, let's get back to work.